ni I nak cerita sikit tentang IN2IT Sparkling Eyeshadow. Code number dia lah SE02 Coral. So kalau untuk korang yang nak like a natural kind of eyeshadow look, and atau macam I boleh cakap macam Korean punya kind of natural eyeshadow look, korang boleh try this colour. It's so good, and dia macam orange kind. It's very natural and a little bit macam glitter. So I suka gila, and to me even though it's glitter, I rasa macam I boleh pakai masa daylight sebab dia sangat natural. Okay, so I beli ni dekat Guardian. Harga normal dia is RM19.90. I beli waktu like a little bit macam ada sale time tu. I think it's like around RM12 masa I beli. Okay, I tak jumpa dia punya ml, tapi this is how it looks like. So basically dia macam lipstick. So korang just letak kat mata korang and just macam ni lah. Okay, nanti I nak tunjuk kat korang how I pakai. Because sekarang I tak pakai makeup, I akan tunjuk video macam sangat cepat lah, like last 5 minutes punya makeup video. I just pakai powder here and then, and just nak tunjuk kat korang how this eyeshadow looks like. Okay,
널 울려버린 내가 참 미웠었어. 상처만 남긴 실수를 원망해서 이젠 너 없인 의미를 잃은 이름 다시 불러줘.
치명적인 mistake. 네가 없는 나는 fake. 빛이 없는 하늘 black. 의미조차 없는 매일 철렀던 bad guy. 널 울린 대가. 떠나지 말고 돌아와줘. I was
네가 사라진 이유로 사라져 나의 이도. 그땐 미처 몰랐어. Oh yeah yeah yeah. 네가 부르는 나의 이름이 듣고 싶어. 너의 그 목소리 몰랐어. 얼마나 그리워할지. 돌아와줘. Please give me one more chance. 불완전했던 내가 널 만난 뒤 완성을 꿈꿔. 퍼즐을 찾은 듯이 너여야만 해.
선명해진 기억 느끼고 있어. 난 너라는 기적. 네가 내 이름 부른 순간 이제서야 나는 의미를 찾았어. 내 맘 밝혀주는 너의 flashlight. 밤하늘 밟을 수는 어때 your eyes. 내 귀 닫고 전해준 목소리와 나를 숨쉬게 한 것 모두 너인걸.
마지막 조각은 너 날 완성시켜줘. 나의 전부는 너 When you call my name. 설렜던 그날의 빛도 영원을 말한 약속도 아직 내 안에 있어. 나 Oh yeah yeah yeah. 네가 부르는 나의 이름을 듣고 싶어. 너의 그 목소리 몰랐어. 얼마나 그리워할지. 돌아와줘. Please give me one more chance. Call my name. 날 불러줘. Call my name. When you call me.
You are a part of me. You and me, we are one. You're the reason for my life. If you're not here, I'm not here.
같은 꿈 같은 추억들 닮아가 많은 습관들 모든 의미가 너야. 네가 부르는 나의 이름이 네가 싶어. 너의 그 목소리 몰랐어. 얼마나 그리워할지. 돌아와줘. Please give me one more chance. Call my name. 날 불러줘. Call my name. Oh, when you call my name. Call my name. 날 불러줘.
okay guys, sebenarnya I tak pandai makeup sangat, tapi I selalu makeup just very simple dengan compact powder, letak lip gloss, letak blusher, and letak eyeshadow sikit. So basically kalau korang tengok, ni eyeshadow yang nak tunjuk kat korang, nampak tak? Dia tak glittery sangat tau, and dia sangat natural tau. Like you can wear it daylight atau dinner kalau korang just nak go for simple look. Sebab I suka go for simple look, sangat simple. So I akan just letak macam ni. Tengok, dia macam nampak. Okay, and then korang akan nampak dia punya orange colour, which is so nice. I suka sangat this thing. I'm in love. I pakai benda ni setiap kali I keluar sebab dia just untuk glowkan mata kita, and that's it. You know, sangat bagus. The thing is dia tak terlalu, how do I say, pigmented. Dia agak cair. Korang bila letak dia nampak macam thick, tapi bila korang just bilas dengan tangan, korang akan nampak dia sangat cair after that. Tapi still, this is like just to go for natural look, it's fine. Kalau korang nak yang pekat-pekat semua, so this is not the right one. And dia tahan lama if korang tak berpeluh. Kalau korang start berpeluh, dia tak tahan lama. So to me, I pernah pakai, dia tahan boleh cakap 4 jam kalau I tak berpeluh. So boleh tahan lama jugalah guys. Actually it's a really good eyeshadow, and I sangat recommend kalau korang just nak, you know, as a beginner macam I dalam makeup, just nak start with a very cheap kind of makeup but good one, and you know, just nak try with natural, korang should try this. Okay, so I hope review korang. I hope my review on this helps you guys. So I'm so sorry juga sebab I tak pandai makeup, tapi I hope benda ni nampak, you know, clear lah. Korang boleh tengok macam mana dia punya eyeshadow looks like. Okay, bye guys.